Hello, welcome to my channel. Given 1 by x minus 1 by x squared minus 1 by x cube is equal to minus 1. Then what is the value of x? Now solution. At first we simplify this x square and x cube. LCM of x square and x cube is x cube. Therefore, x cube by x is x square into 1, x square, minus x cube by x square is x into 1, x cube by x cube, 1, minus 1 into 1, 1, is equal to minus 1. Now we cross multiply. Then we get x square minus x minus 1 into 1 is x square minus x minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x cube is minus x cube. Now minus x cube move to right side. Then it will be plus x cube, and here is x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. From these two terms we take common x square. So we have x cube by x square is x plus x square by x square is plus 1. From these two terms we take common minus 1. Then minus x divided by minus 1 is plus x, minus 1 divided by minus 1 is plus 1 is equal to 0. Or from these two terms we take common x plus 1. Then this divided by this is x square, and this divided by this is minus 1 is equal to 0. Now according to zero product rule, either x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x square minus 1 is equal to 0. If x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to, this plus moves to right side will be minus 1. So one of the value of x is minus 1. Now from this equation, x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x square is equal to minus 1 moves to right side will be plus 1. Now take square root both sides. Then this square root and square cancel. So x is equal to root over 1 is plus minus 1. So here we get two values of x, and that's our x is equal to plus 1 or minus 1. So in this equation we get three values of x: minus 1, plus 1 and minus 1. So we can say x is equal to, value of x is equal to 1 or minus 1. This is the final answer of this equation. Now verify. Original equation is 1 by x minus 1 by x square x minus 1 by x cube is equal to minus 1. Now at first we take plus 1, then we get 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1 square 1 minus 1 by 1 cube 1 is equal to minus 1. This is 1 minus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. This plus 1 minus 1 cancel, so here minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So left hand side, right hand side equal. So this value of x is correct. Now we check another value minus 1. Then we have 1 by x, 1 by minus 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1 whole square minus 1 by minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus 1 whole square is plus 1. 1 by plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. So it will be 1 by minus 1 is minus minus plus 1 is equal to minus 1. This minus 1 plus 1 cancel, so minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Left hand side, right hand side equal. Therefore, minus 1 is correct answer. So our value x is equal to plus 1 and minus 1 is correct. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment. Also subscribe my channel. Goodbye.